Welcome to the mix. And this morning we have Dwayne on the mix. He says, people business I go get me in a batty hole. Now, Dwayne, he's always talking about people business and people business is his own. I wonder if me need to tell him my business. Yeah, yeah, but Dwayne is always talking, he's always listening and dissecting other people's business. And interestingly enough, he will be waiting to dissect this people business, but he's going on and on. So just go ahead and watch Dwayne while he dissects and talk about people's business. Now remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click the button so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for your support and have a wonderful, wonderful day.
Father God, what up my tongue so? God, me say people business, I go be me down. People business, I'll get me the body all. Mighty God. Me full of charisma. Me full of style. Style can't spoil. All girl them jump and shock out for a while. Mighty God, you sweet, my dear. Tongues, girl. Girl. Me full of girl. Why? Right there, sir. Right there, sir, you. People business. Me say, people business sweet. Mighty God. Hey, people. Me open the prayer to God this morning. Say, Father God, tongues. Thank you for waking me up, God. Thank you. Big up, Father God. Big up, God. God, me love you. God, me love you. Me love God. People, me don't know about uno. Me know about me. Me love God. Me say God bring me for some places. See? Pause. Cute. Oh, me Adam surrender. Mighty God. I say people. Me love people business. Me love people business. Me not top love people business. Me not top love people business. I promise you, I is not stopping. Me say I have a piece of Mixup for you, see? I have a piece of Mixup for you. And me know see what are we over yeah. We love people business. What do we love people business? I'm face a glow, so we go on. Hey! Morning, good girl, you. Good morning. Good morning, all of you. I love you. No, me like uno, yeah, me like the whole of uno. Me like the whole of uno. Uno understand? Me, Dwayne. Bad girl, Dweisha. Me love uno, yeah, me love uno, me love uno.
Love or no, that's what Dwayne says. He's showing his watchers, his followers that I really love you guys for following and for supporting. Because when it comes to people business, they're watching also. So he's showing them love and, thanking them for their support during here. So look at him, look at his face. It's light up when he talks about people's business. Look at it.
What was that? On a don't mix me. On a don't mix me. Little girl, be yourself. You, Antonio. Antoinette. Stop asking the question and sit down and listen. I want to you. You're not you're not an abiding city. Somebody rub it up for you. I want to rub up. I want to rub up. Why? Father God, me telling you now, the people that have their job from people at the post, and me don't me like it, me like it, no, me like it, no, me like it. You understand? Me like it, but here, me don't want to act up my body too much. Me feel shine down. It's the glow. It's the morning glow. It's the afternoon glow. On know people can just lay down in bed and wake up when they want to wake up. And I walk and smoking. And I walk and smoking. People, me don't walk this. Me don't walk this. Because me have enough good job. But guess what? One time, shut your mouth, you deportee. I that you know what, though? I that you know what? You not get that. Come off. People, listen. People if you chat me to, I saw the thing go. I saw the thing go. You understand? You understand, you deportee? Me no, girl or boy, I don't know. Yeah, girl or boy, I don't know. But listen, me good. What? You can go ahead. You use them big mix up. You is one big mix. It's me telling you, on a love people business, on a love people business. Like myself, yeah. Like myself, yeah. Mm-hmm. No girl, no girl. Hey Sharon, not stop it. People business over here. Me not a cuss, but leave me alone. Stop it. Me not engaged in nothing with nobody.